We go to now miscellaneous exercise 6. First question here, solve the inequality, means get the value of x. Okay, let's see the question number 1. 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. Solution means get the value of x. So we, from the middle term, we try to find x in this way. How? I want x only. I don't want this minus 4. So what I'll do, I'll add 4 throughout this inequality. 2 plus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 and 5 plus 4. So you are getting 6 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 9. What I did, just I have added 4. Why I added 4? Because I want just x. Solve means get x, remember. Solve means find the value of x. Now I don't want 3x, I want x. So dividing by 3. So 6 by 3, which is 2, x less than or equal to 3. So what's the solution here? From 2 to 3. Every number from 2 to 3. And how do we write this? Recall sets, close interval 2 to 3. If you want just graphically, it's like this, you know it. Here it is not asked, I'm just showing. This is 2, this is 3. So solution set will be every number from 2 to 3. So this is a solution set. This is called close interval 2 to 3, you know. Question number 2, second question. There you have 6 less than or equal to 3 minus 3 inside the bracket 2x minus 4 less than 12. Solution means what? Get x. So we just make x as a one term in the middle expression, remember. Okay, so what we do, I'll just simplify this here. So 6 less than or equal to minus 6x plus 12 less than 12. Now I don't want 12, so subtracting 12, remember. So 6 minus 12 minus 6. This is minus 6 and here this will be 0. What I did, subtracting 12 throughout this inequality. So 6 minus 12 minus 6, 12 will get cancelled, minus 6 and this is 0. Now you don't want minus 6 here. You want x alone as you did here. So I'll divide by minus 6. Now when you divide by negative number, you know inequality get reversed, remember. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, inequality would be reversed. Minus 6 minus 6, so 1. Now this is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to x greater than 0 by minus 6, which is 0. See, here it is less than, here it is greater than, here less than, greater than. Why this? Because you are dividing by a negative number. Here you were dividing by a positive number. Just look at it, previous question. This 3 was positive, so inequality remains same. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, inequality get reversed. Now that is same as, I'll write 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. Normally smaller numbers should be written first. This is same as this, remember. Just have changed the order. I wrote 0 first, then x and then 1. And therefore what's the solution? You know, this is nothing but the open interval to closed one. Open closed interval, you know. Every number from 0 to 1 would satisfy this inequality. If you pick up any number from open interval, 0 is not included. Open 0 to closed 1 will satisfy this inequality. This is called solution. Every number from x will satisfy this. This is known as a solution. Okay. Question number 3, let's do that. Minus 3 less than or equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to 18. We want x alone in the middle term, remember. So you don't want 4 first. So eliminate 4. So I'll subtract 4. Subtracting 4. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Minus 7x by 2. I'm subtracting 4. So this becomes 14. By adding or subtracting some number, inequality remains same, remember. Don't get confused with that. By adding or subtracting some number, inequality remains same. But if you multiply or divide by a negative number, then the inequality get reversed. Now you want x alone. So what I should do? I should multiply this inequality by 2 by 7 with minus sign. Negative number, so inequality will be reversed. Minus 2 by 7 is less than, greater than or equal to, multiplying with minus 2 by 7. So this is just x, greater than or equal to 14 is already there. I'm multiplying with minus 2 by 7. I hope this is clear to you. I want x alone in the middle term. Okay, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is positive. Here this is x, and this is nothing but here minus 4. 7 will get cancelled. This is plus 2. X greater than or equal to, here this plus 4. That is here. Now minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Minus 4 x, and this is 2. So this is the solution. What is this? This is nothing but close interval minus 4 to close interval 2. This is the solution. Every number from minus 4 to 2 will satisfy this inequality. So this is called the solution. You pick up any number, you place here instead of x, you will see that this will hold true. This is called closed interval minus 4 to 2, remember. This is just same as this. I wrote minus 4 here, this x as it is, and 2 here. Normally smaller number should be written on the left hand side. That's why I did this. Okay. Let's go to next question. Question number 4 here. Minus 15 less than 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 0. Now what you want here? You need x. So first you need to eliminate this 3 by 5. So what I'll do? I'll multiply this by 5 by 3. Minus 15 as it is, 5 by 3. Less than x minus 2 as it is, less than or equal to 0. This is positive number, so inequality remains same. Every time we try to find x alone. So first I need to eliminate this, so multiplying by 5 by 3. Okay, so what is this? This is 3 5s are, so minus 25. Less than x minus 2, less than or equal to 0. Now I don't want minus 2, we need x alone. So adding 2. If you add or subtract, inequality remains same. Adding 2, so this is minus 23, x, minus 2 plus 2 here is just x, and this is less than or equal to 0. So x is from where to where? Minus 23 to 0, remember. And therefore, what is the solution here? Solution is from open minus 23 to 0 is included. So close 0. Open minus 23 to 0, remember. And here solution is in R. So every real number. Earlier exercises, if you remember, 6.1, and there we were finding the solution in n or z. So you were writing the solution as an integer. Here, every number from minus 23 to 0 satisfies this inequality. And therefore, this is called the solution, remember. Next question, fifth one. Minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x by minus 5. So this is just plus 5 less than or equal to 2. What we want? We want just x in the middle term. So we first need to remove this 4. So if I want to remove this, I need to subtract 4. So minus 12 minus 4 minus 16. 3x by 5 less than or equal to 2 minus 4. It is nothing but a minus 2. Remember, I have not mentioned this step. A middle term step, if you want, you can write like this. Middle step. Minus 12 less than minus 4. Minus 4 less than here minus 4 plus 3x by 5 less than minus 4 plus 2, like this if you want. Subtracting minus 4 throughout the inequality. This can be done. Remember why we did this. Now this will goes away. This is minus 16, that's what I've written. This is minus 2, that's what I've written. Okay. Now you don't want 3 by 5, so I need to eliminate this. So what I'll do, I'll multiply with 5 by 3. So into 5 by 3, 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. This is just x less than or equal to minus 2 is already there here into 5 by 3. So this would be here. This is 80 by, this is just 80 by 3 less than x less than or equal to, what about this, minus 10 by 3. And therefore solution would be from where to where? Open interval minus 80 by 3 to minus 10 by 3, close interval. Minus 80 by 3 to minus 10 by 3 with the close interval. Every number from this will satisfy this inequality. That's why it is called the solution. Sixth is the same question. You can try. I'll go to question number 7 here. There we have two inequalities. So we solve them and we'll get the common. Question number 7. 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24, comma, one more. Comma means and, remember. Less than 24. We solve these two inequalities. Okay. So solve these inequalities means you get x from this, get x from this. Take 1 on the other side. So 5x is greater than minus 25. Dividing by 5. So x is greater than minus 20 by minus 25 by 5, which is just minus 5. Right? So value of x should be greater than minus 5. Come to this. Get x from this. What is x from this here? Just you take 1 on the other side first. So you have 5x less than 24 plus 125. Get x. So dividing by 5. Okay. Now if you see this, here you are saying that x is less than minus 5, less than 5. Here you are saying that x is more than minus 5. You can combine like this if you want. X is less than 5 and x is more than minus 5. So like this question, earlier questions, what's the solution? So solution would be open interval minus 5 to plus 5. This is the solution. Every number from open interval minus 5 to plus 5 would satisfy the inequalities. Both the inequalities, remember. You have two inequalities here. Graphically, you are asked to represent graphically here. So like this is a real line, this is 0. Here let's write minus 1 and so on. Here minus 5. Here 1 and so on. Here 5. So every number from minus 5, open minus 5, every number from this portion would satisfy both the inequality. Minus 5 and 5 are not included, remember, because here you have open interval, because here you have less than strict inequality. So this is a solution. You know that this is called open interval. This is known as open interval, you know it. Every number from -5 to 5 will satisfy this inequality. So this is called the solution. Okay. Question number 8 here. That is 2 into x minus 1 is less than x plus 5, and 3 into x plus 2 is greater than 2 minus x. We have two inequalities. We solve for x and we'll try to see. Okay, so I'll just open the bracket here. 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. Take x on the left hand side. 2x minus x, x. Take 2 on the other side. Minus 2 plus 5, that is 7. So x is less than 7. Here x less than 7. Come to this. 3x plus 6 is greater than 2 minus x. Now take 3x on this side. So this would be, this x on this side, it would be 4x is greater than 2 minus 6. So 4x is greater than minus 4. Dividing by 4. Therefore x is greater than minus 1. Now you just look at it, this 2. This says that if you combine this 2, this says that x is less than 7, and this says that x is more than minus 1. Just combining this and this. And means you combine both. So therefore what's the solution here? Open interval minus 1 to open interval 7. Every number from minus 1 to 7 will satisfy this inequality. Graphically, if I represent it, you will see on a line here, this is a real line, 0, here you have minus 1, suppose here you have 7. Minus 1 is not included, so from minus 1 to open interval 7, 7 is not included. From minus 1 to 7 here. Every number from this inequality, open interval satisfy both the inequalities, this and this. You can try, take any number randomly. Suppose I am taking 0. Put here, you will see that this will be true. Put 0 here and here, you will see that this also holds true. So this is called the solution set, open interval minus 1 to 7. Okay, let's go to next question. Question number 10, for example. Let's say 10th question. 5 into 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. One is this inequality. 2x plus 19 is less than or equal to 6x plus 47. Okay, so we solve this too. Let's simplify here. So here this is 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. Now this is nothing but 4x. This is nothing but 44 here is less than or equal to 0. I need x only, so I'll take 44 on the other side. So plus 44 dividing by 4. You are dividing by positive numbers, so inequality remains same, so 11. So x is less than or equal to 11 for first one. What about the second one? Here I'll take 2x on that side and 47 on this side. So 19 minus 47 is less than or equal to 6x minus 2x. What I did, I've interchanged 47 and 2x. 47 on the left hand side. So here minus 47 and 2x on the other side. So 6x minus 2x. Fine. Now this is minus 28 is less than or equal to 4x. Dividing by here 4, it's a positive number, so minus 7 is less than or equal to x. Dividing by 4, 28 by 4, which is minus 7. So if you combine these two, here x is greater than or equal to minus 7, and here you are saying that x is less than or equal to 11. Therefore, solution is from where to where? Solution is from minus 7 to 11. This is the solution. Minus 7 is here, for example, this is 0 and this is 11. Every number from minus 7 to 11 satisfy both the inequalities. So this is a closed interval, remember. Minus 7 and 11 both are included here. Okay. Question number 11. You are given this relation, you know it from probably chemistry, relation between two different units of temperature. One is Fahrenheit and the other one is degree Celsius. So F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is given, remember, given to us, or you know it otherwise. Now what's the question here? What is the range in temperature in degree Celsius? So to find this, range means what? Solution for degree Celsius. This is what you want. This is the question. What's the range in temperature in degree Celsius? That is the question. What is further given here? A solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. So this is given. Range on Fahrenheit you are given. Given that the Fahrenheit is between 68 and 77. This is given to us. Read the question. You are given that the solution is kept between 68 and 77. Okay, now what we'll do? We just put the value of F here and we just get for C as we did earlier in all question 1 to 10. 68 degree as it is. What is the F here? 9 by 5 C plus 32 less than 77 degree. This is just value of F. Now you want C alone, remember, you want this much only. So first subtracting 32 from this inequality. So if I subtract 32 here, this would be how much? It would be 36. 68 minus 32, that's 36 degree. 9 by 5 C as it is. 77 minus 32. So it would be how much? You know, here it would be 45 degree. Just subtracting 32. Okay. Now what we do? We don't want this 9 by 5. So multiplying with 5 by 9. So 36 degree into 5 by 9 less than C. 9 by 5 and 5 by 9 will get cancelled. 45 degree into 5 by 9. So here this is 9 4 the 36. So 20 degree is less than C. Here you know at this place 25 degree. So what's the range on C here? Degree Celsius. The range on the degree Celsius would be from where to where? 25 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. So between these two, between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. This is answer to the question. It is indirectly solution of this inequality. This inequality where we have just placed F. Okay, fine. Now next question, next two questions are important, 12, 13. 14 is like this only. So let me do 14 first. Question number 14 I'll do first. You are given some relation IQ for a person. IQ is given by MA upon CA into 100. This is given to you. Where MA is this mental age, CA is chronological age. IQ you are given for a group of this 12 years old children, find the range in this mental age. That's a question. So you want the range on mental age. Okay, so let's do this. So here this is given to us, remember this is the relation. The relation is given to us. Now there is a range on what? Intelligent quotient IQ. So IQ, intelligent quotient, you are given from where to where? 80 to 140. Okay, this is given again, and this. Now we'll put the formula for IQ. So 80 is less than or equal to mental age upon chronological age, which is given to you. What's that? 12-year-old upon 12 into 100. That's a formula, less than or equal to 140. I've just placed the value of CA. CA means chronological age. Chronological age means age, which is how much? 12. Okay. Now you want this. The question is get the range on this, range on their mental age, MA. So you don't want 112. Here you have 100 by 12. So here multiplying throughout with 12 by 100. 12 by 100 less than or equal to MA. 112 will goes away. Now you know all these things. And this is 12 by 100. Multiplying with 12, dividing by 100. Okay, so this is nothing but how much? 960 by 100. So it is just 9.6. Is less than or equal to here MA, less than or equal to, this would be, you just simplify, 0 will get cancelled. This is 168 by 10. So this is 16.8. So this is the answer. Mental age is from where to where? 9.6 to 16.8. Remember, that's your final required mental age, 9.6 to 16.8. Okay. Question number 12 now. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution. The mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6%. So that's the inequality, right? So we are given this, that it's more than 4% and less than some 6%. Okay, we'll see. We have 640 liters of 8% solution. You are given this, you are given that 640 liter of 8% solution. What is the question here? How many liters of 2% solution should be added? Okay, so we'll take that as x. So let x be x liter of 2% solution. So we get the range on x. X liter of 2% solution should be added. So what will be the total mixture? So total mixture would be here. Total mixture would be 640 plus x later. Okay, now just concentrate at that inequality. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. So total mixture is this. So here more than 640 plus x, 4%. So 4 by 100. 4% of this and 6% of this. 6% of 640 plus x. 6% of this. 4%, more than 4%, less than 6% of what? This mixture. 640 plus x later. Okay. Now here solution is prepared how? 8% boric acid. So here 8% of this. So that would be 640 into 8%. So by 100 plus now 2% of x later. So x into 2 by 100. This is a condition. So therefore we have this. We have this. Okay. Okay, so now we just simplify. So this is 640 plus x into 4. This would be, if you simplify, 5120 plus this is 2x less than 640 plus x into 6. I would just cancel 100 from this inequality throughout. Multiplying this, so we'll get this much. This is 2x, this is the middle term. On the left hand side we have this is the right hand side. Now we open this. So 640 into 4, so this is 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x is less than here 3840 plus 6x. We just simplified. Okay. Now in all the three terms you have variable x. So we split into two inequality. One we take this and the other one I'll take this. Okay, so first combining this left hand side, 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x. Now here you take 2560 on that side. So 5120 minus 2560, 2x on this side, so 4x minus 2x. So here you will get the 2x, this is less than here 2560, and therefore dividing by here 2, so finally you will get 1280 if you divide by 2. Okay, this is simplification of this left hand side portion. Now we'll combine these two. Okay, so here 5120 plus 2x is less than 3840 plus 6x. Now I'll just simplify. Take 3840 on this side and 2x on the other side. Okay. Now here this would be, if you subtract this will be 1280 less than, this is 4x, and dividing by 4 here, so this is just 320 dividing by 4. So what you have shown, again if I merge these two, x is more than 320 and here x is less than 1280 liter. So this is your final answer. How much liter of 2% solution should be added? That solution must be more than 320 liter and less than 1280 liter. Remember, this much should be added. More than 320 liter and less than 1280. The only important part in this entire solution is formation of this inequality. Remember, if you just read the question, this is given in the question that it should be less than. If you just read the question, you will see, if you just read it, you will see that you are given that the mixture is to be more than 4%. So this is a mixture more than 4% and less than 6%. This is the total mixture. Okay. Now here 640 plus x, because 640 you are given and x later you had assumed. This is indirectly resulting mixture, remember 8% of 640 liter and 2% of x liter, and then this is just a simple algebra. Remember, the only important portion is this.